How to learn English step by step at home. Hello, friends. Do you want to learn English but don't know where to start? Don't worry. You can learn English step by step at home. Here's how. Step 1. Start with the basics. Learn simple words and sentences. Practice the alphabet, numbers, days, and greetings like hello, how are you? Step 2. Listen every day. Watch English videos, movies, or cartoons. Listen to English songs or podcasts. This helps you understand how people speak. Step 3. Speak a little every day. Say simple sentences like I am happy, this is my book. Talk to yourself in English at home. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Step 4. Read simple English. Read children's books, short stories, or news. Try to understand the meaning without worrying too much. Step 5. Write a little. Write 3 to 5 sentences every day. Write about your day, your family, or your dreams. Step 6. Use apps and online tools. Try apps like Duolingo, YouTube, or Google Translate to help you learn new words and practice. Step 7. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when learning. Mistakes help you improve, so keep going. Step 8. Practice every day. Even 15 to 30 minutes a day is enough. Learning slowly every day is better than learning too much in one day. Final message. Learning English is like planting a tree. It takes time and care, but soon, you will see it grow. You can do it one step at a time. Keep learning. Keep believing. Your future is bright.